Hi guys, what is up elders and youngers? This is Digital Lega 47 aka Ashok presented to you the 10th digital marketing news of our channel. In this video the news will be more focused on social media and the less on SEO and other stuffs. So do watch this video till the very end. If you are a social media marketer, it will be very helpful for you. Before we get into the video, let me guys tell you that we post videos of news, trends, practices related to digital marketing. So make sure you guys get connected and stay updated by subscribing to our channel just like this. And if you have not watched some of our previous videos, the card button is there. You can check out our previous videos in that, and there are some much more contents and quick tips in our channel. So don't forget to watch those videos as well after watching this video. So without wasting your time, let's dive into the video. The first news of the video is LinkedIn has finally new interfaces with the desktop and mobile application as well. So these images which you are seeing in the screen, so these are refreshed view of the LinkedIn after the succession, and also there is an increase of engagement which will be covering in the next news in this video itself. So I will be covering that news in that particular section. So in this, the refreshed icons and interfaces, and also there are some more gestures and also new minor improvements within the LinkedIn application itself. So basically I like this application and interface which has been updated after so long from the LinkedIn. We are seeing some more minor improvements in between days, but this is a major improvement from LinkedIn team. So basically I like this new feature and interface of the LinkedIn very much. And the next news may be sad because WordPress 5.6 which is coming very soon, but some of them are saying that WordPress 5.6 may break as well. So as 5.5 came recently, which has broken millions of sites, which I also covered in our recent videos, and in this 5.6 it also may affect some of the sites because of the jQuery scripts. So which actually jQuery scripts is a more technical term. What jQuery means is it handles the elements, animations and other stuffs on your website. So basically the JavaScript library should be updated with each version, which is lacking in these last two updates, and also we can see this in 5.6 as well. So we have to wait for the December, and also we have to wait for the stable version. So if 5.6 or beta comes out, guys, please read the patch notes well, and also make sure that will it affect us, or there is a plugin for migrating the jQuery as well. So you can install that plugin as well if you want. So let's wait for the 5.6, how will it come. But also this is an kind of sad news, but take it with a pinch of salt. It is not yet confirmed yet. The next news is LinkedIn users has increased up to 722 million families. So basically LinkedIn, which is a greatest business platform, this platform has increased up to 722 million users. So which is actually a very huge number, and the engagement level and also the rate has improved very much in the B2B connections as well. So basically this advertising marketing solutions from the LinkedIn has improved and also sustained in this quarantine period, and also helped many of the job seekers and job providers to find an ideal person for themselves and also ideal businesses within this application. So basically do let me know that how LinkedIn has played a role in your life as an application, as a career, as a business or anything in the comment section or into my LinkedIn as well. So my LinkedIn profile is here. You can connect me right on LinkedIn. The next news is Snapchat launches Snap Connect. So basically what Snap Connect is, Snap Connect is an educational insights for the under the platform. So basically Snap Connect has an 3 courses with the certifications. The courses will be more on streaming of games, applications and e-commerce things, where you can discover ads, you can how to engage this with your Snapchat as business. So basically Snapchat is more heading towards business as well. So before, actually Snapchat is used to send snaps and also friend, and we can do some chatting there, but this Snapchat for business features also is growing well. So basically this Snapchat is more focused on other countries, but in our country we are using less amount of Snapchat, which is across 6 to something percentage. I don't know, I'm not sure about the exact percentage, but Snapchat business is here, but we need to grow this Snapchat business feature a very lot in the upcoming days as well. So we have to be in very focused and also well knowingly all applications, business tricks and also strategies as well. The next and main news of the video is WhatsApp improvements with the security chat and disappearing chats and also WhatsApp Pay. So what these news are: WhatsApp disappearing chat, which allows you to disappear a chat or message with the other person up to 7 days. It may be into a group chat or a private chat as well. So this feature allows you to send a private message or any confidential thing which will be seen by the other person up to 7 days. So basically this is a great feature from WhatsApp actually, and because we also know WhatsApp is a secure chat application which has sustained this long year with the end-to-end encryption recently. So this feature is a great thing to allow the disappearing chat feature with 7 days of validity. So this is actually a great feature. And the next thing with the WhatsApp is WhatsApp has announced WhatsApp Pay has been approved in India. So now you can pay directly from the WhatsApp if you are contacting a WhatsApp business account or if you are hiring some services within the WhatsApp as well. So because many of business people are dealing in WhatsApp as well, so with the payment we have to go to the other application. So without switching to other application, you can straightly link it in your UPI or other methods with the WhatsApp Pay, and you can straightly pay there. So it is actually a great feature to develop the e-commerce and also business relations. The last news of the video is Facebook is trying to bring motion effects with the still images. So before, while we uploading image, it has to be as a still image in the feed before, but recently Facebook has announced a 3D preview image of a still image. If you are posting an image in the Facebook feed, you can convert it as a 3D feature. Now Facebook is testing and motion and also somewhat graphics like touch in the still images. So basically this is under testing. So there are some of the few images you can see in the screen. It will look like this, the interface. So we are not sure about that, it is in the still testing progress. So let's see the final version comes out. So this is actually a great feature to enhance your still images to bring more reality and lively to the images. So guys, that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, do share this video with everyone. Like this video, drop a comment below and make sure hit that subscribe button. It supports our channel. If you are not following on my social media handles, my social media handles are in the screen. You can follow me in there as well. Stay tuned for the next video. Till then, get connected and stay updated. Bye.